Have you ever wondered how to make millions in a day? It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? A single day's work leading to a lifetime of financial stability. But is it really possible? And if so, how can one achieve this seemingly Herculean task? Let's dive deep into this intriguing topic to reveal the secrets of those who have achieved this extraordinary feat. First and foremost, it's essential to understand that making millions in a day doesn't necessarily mean a single day's work. It often represents the culmination of years of effort, planning, and strategic decision-making. The journey begins with an idea, a unique, innovative idea that has the potential to disrupt the market. It could be a new product, a novel service, or a groundbreaking technology. The key here is to think outside the box, to identify a gap in the market that your idea can fill. Next comes the concept of leveraging. Leverage can come in various forms: financial leverage, time leverage, or even leverage of skills and knowledge. The successful millionaires know how to use leverage to their advantage, to magnify the impact of their efforts and maximize their earnings. Then, there's the power of networking. Building a robust and influential network can open doors to opportunities that can catapult your earnings into the millions. It's not just about who you know, but also about who knows you. Moreover, risk-taking plays a pivotal role. Every millionaire has taken calculated risks to reach where they are today. It's about stepping out of the comfort zone, taking bold decisions, and staying resilient in the face of failures. Finally, remember that timing is everything. It's about seizing the right opportunity at the right time. It's about being at the right place at the right time. To summarize, making millions in a day involves a blend of a unique idea, effective leveraging, robust networking, calculated risk-taking, and perfect timing. It's not an overnight journey, but a result of years of consistent effort, strategic planning, and unwavering dedication. So do you have what it takes to make millions in a day? It's a question only you can answer. But remember, every journey starts with a single step. Dare to take that step, dare to dream big, and who knows, you might just be the next millionaire in the making.